Hello, Sharon Durbin Graves, Painting with Acrylics 101.com, here to invite you to a beginning art challenge I am putting on May 23rd, 24th, and 25th. It'll be at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's inside a private Facebook group. Now, how do you get there? Well, I'm going to put a link in the description to the event page, and you can go there, check it out, and you can click on that link and then get signed up. It's all free, but you do have to sign up. And so I'm going to put the link in there in the description for you to join. The challenge, the art challenge, is all going to be focused around values. As an artist, 95 to 98, maybe 99% of art problems of why your painting didn't work or isn't working or whatever is in the values. It's my heart. I believe that in my heart that values is the most important thing for artists to learn. So I'm going to offer this challenge for any and all beginning to intermediate painters, and we're going to get together 3 nights in a row for at least an hour, and we're going to begin to understand and learn about and use values. So hop in there in the description, get that link, get signed up, and I will send you in the email a link to the private Facebook group. So you're going to want to make sure you open it, and I'll put in the subject line link for art challenge. Okay, because I honestly can't say it enough, believe with all my heart that this is the most important skill, fundamental, whatever you want to call it, an artist needs to learn is values. Okay, so let's get in there, let's get signed up, and let's start improving our art. Have a great day. Let's paint together real soon.